I got a client that hit a deer, right? So this is why I offer just the one headlight for certain customers, right? So he hit a deer, got a brand new headlight there. This one's messed up. So we charge a little bit and we go ahead and get that thing cleared up. So the first thing we want to do is grab a little bit of soapy water mixture, little Dawn, little water, keep it moving. So the next thing I'm going to do is just move my soapy bucket over here just in case I need a little bit more suds, right? Now we just pray that I got the sandpaper I need, right? Now we're going to need this clay because there's some sort of stuff all over them headlights. Let's see if we can make a kit real quick. All right, so no, that's like actual sandpaper. All right, so okay, let's pray, right? All right, so we got our 3,000 grit. So I'm hoping I can find a sheet of 1,000 grit in here. 3,000, the hell, 3,000, okay, all right, cool. So you want to have your 3,000 and 1,000 grit sandpaper. So we'll throw that over here, right? It's kind of how you build a kit, right? Ain't no sense in spending $30 every time you need to do a customer's headlight. And now we're gonna come over here and I'm gonna probably use my drill kit. So I'm gonna grab my drill, check my battery. All right, so we need to pop a new one in there. Ooh, we in business. So we got the head off of that, and then we'll come up here to my handy dandy paint correction lab. Ooh, can y'all see that? Okay. All right, so we're gonna want this Plastic X from McGuire's, pretty decent stuff. We've got some clear coat for when it's all done. And like I said, there's cheaper ways to do this, y'all. This is just how I do it. And I like to just use this right here. That's all you really need to go ahead and get that polish in there. I'm gonna leave that clear coat here just so I don't get too excited, right? So we got that. Go ahead and hand that over there. And that's pretty much the setup, right? We'll spray it with soap first, clean it, do whatever we need to do, right? Then I'm gonna come in with my 1,000. I'll hit it horizontally and vertically in a crosshatch pattern, trying to basically sand all this old clear coat off. So that's what happens. Just like a set of Jordans or something like that, the factory sprays these, especially Toyota, and eventually it oxidizes and turns yellow. So you just got to sand all that off and basically replace it with some new clear. So that's what we're doing. But in that process, you're going to scratch it. So then you got to polish it, etc. Right? So we're going to come in horizontal, vertical pattern on a 1,000, clean it, 3,000, clean it, right? Then we'll come in, polish everything, see how everything looks. If it looks like crap, we'll do it one more time, right? Come back in, dry it, and then we'll go ahead and polish everything up and hit it with that clear. Hey, one thing I forgot to mention is that you need to know when you can save a light and when it needs to be replaced. If the light gets wet and it looks new, then you know you can save it. That's pretty much it. So you can show that to your customer and say, hey, this is what I can look like. This is its full potential. And then you can kind of go from there. Hope that helps. We're finally at the part where we can go ahead and apply this clear. The reason why I'm even recording this, because it's really not that serious, is the one consideration, if you're going to do a whole detail, you can't put the clear on until after that detail's done, right? Because if you get any water on this, you're kind of screwed. That's why I have that towel there. So, because the damn did the engine bay and it's being a biatch. So we're not gonna put this on too thick, especially because it's cold out. Because if you have any drips or runs, guess what you're doing? Sanding this down and redoing it. So we're gonna let that sit. I'm about to do the inside of the car, and then right before he leaves, I'll come back and do another coat, probably, and send him on his way. So the only good thing is this crap smells fantastic. Anyways, have a good one, y'all. Hope you enjoyed the video. See y'all on to the next one.